I'm more or less born and raised in the street food culture. Cooking is all about expressing yourself. Therefore, your restaurant becomes a reflection of yourself and your values. The food needs to look good, taste good, and be super fresh. But it's all for nothing if the customers don't feel that the whole experience has been fulfilling. You have to show visitors that you care for them in every way.
Food tastes much better when I know my hands are clean.
I love this festival. The food is great, but now it's even better.
I think you should be around wherever there's food.
At the end of the day, their happiness is your success. Because when everything looks fresh and the hygiene works, your business works, whatever your business may be.